Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can change your resolution in Age of Empires 2. So here we can see I'm currently playing on HD resolution, however this is a 4K monitor, and in order to change this what I'm going to do is press the escape key or come up here to the main menu button, go to options, and then up here you can see several different tabs. We want to come to the graphics tab just here, scroll down, and where it says resolution I'm going to change this from 1920 by 1080, which is the standard HD resolution, up to a 4K 3840 by 2160. Once I've selected this, I can go ahead and press confirm. There are plenty of other options as well. Just going back there, you can see if you want to change anything else, such as the zoom or any of these other additional options, you also have the ability to change those. But here we can see already I am now zoomed out and in a 4K resolution. So guys, that's it. That's how you change your resolution in Age of Empires. I hope this tutorial has helped.